More warning has been issued for the whole of the UK, including 2 additional amber warnings, which is this one for Friday for Northern Ireland and Saturday north of Scotland. And we also got 2 yellow wind warning for most of the England, which is this one in force tomorrow to 7 o'clock in the evening and on the northeast of Scotland on Sunday. Some of the warnings have changed impact, including Friday evening to midnight, which the chances have been increased and the wind speeds has increased, which the gusts can even reach 100 miles in some exposed parts of Western Scotland. If we look at the wind gust maximum in miles for the UK, we can see that most of the England and Scotland for 5 o'clock in the evening has about 47 to 43-ish miles per hour. But if we look at the west coast, we can see that up to 68 miles per hour is possible. But if we look at the right, we can see that the wind gusts are only getting about 35 miles. If we move towards Northern Ireland, we can see that most of the Northern Ireland is about 70 miles, with Londonderry over 79 miles per hour. And for Scotland, we can see that for the Western Scotland, for example, for Tiree, is 88 miles per hour, which is dangerous. And if we look 6 o'clock, we can see that there's a potential of getting 100 miles, which is very dangerous. And if we look more inland, it's getting also 81 miles in Fort Williams, 77 in Totbet, and 72 miles in Glasgow. We can see that the highest wind gust is about 6 o'clock for Scotland, and also on Saturday there's a yellow wind warning for England. So be careful, guys.